All abafethu kunjani? Those abantu on the screen here we come again with another episode of Football Fusion. Bafethu, naniyazi angihambi ngedwa, ngihamba no
Sharp makhosi kunjani Kamara Mengthini Mfocus Wela Mswati lo mnanzi Football Fusion sibuyile with another one. Phewabo.
shuthi le channel ebuka amakhosi kuqala. Mase kuthiwa Sharp Makhosi.
It's a special one, it's a special one.
Okay.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
thought I
yeah.
was the one to introduce it. But it's fine, as you already told us, it's a special one. Today we'll be reviewing or reacting on a game that was played yesterday. The Chiefs against Orbit. Abafana base-rest. Babhizi ngama-exams ngicela baxolele.
Bafana bemasapho.
Yeah, man. What do you make of the game? Kaizer Chiefs won 4-1. Yeah, we have to indicate that they won 4-1.
Yeah.
They were playing at home in front of their own fans. Man, what do you make of the game?
Yeah, my good guy. I think Kaizer Chiefs started the game very fine, I might say. Getting an early goal was very crucial. But I think around about 20 minutes or so, even earlier, I felt like Kaizer Chiefs have just came to relax at some point, allowing Obiti to just have control of the ball even more. And for a moment, I was like, I don't see us scoring another goal. We're just going to maintain position, but we were not even a threat. We just scored a goal and then we ended up relaxing.
Yeah.
So first half, it was like that. And then coming to the second half as well, I think the mentality changed. The boys wanted a goal because as early as the first 10 minutes, second half, you can tell we wanted to score, but so many chances that were missed, you know. And then we eventually got the goal. And then I thought, okay, that's it, 2-0. And then quickly we conceded a goal, you know.
Yeah.
Because our defenders were caught sleeping at some point. I feel like they were not even aware. Like if you look at McCarthy, that goal, it's like he was not even aware that there was somebody behind him, you know. So then after that goal, I think again we saw individual brilliance of Umtu and combining with Uvilagazi and getting a very beautiful goal. And then going to the fourth one as well, you can see him too was part of that goal as well and giving my man of the moment to Da Silva a chance to score a goal. So yeah,
you were serious all along until you spoke about the name Da Silva.
yeah. So I think overall the boys, I think I could say it's one of the best performances they had this season.
Second half.
Yeah, I think it's one of the best. If they can work on from that moment, I think they'll be a dangerous team.
Obito now, if you were to comment about them, what would you say?
No, man, Obit in the middle of the park for me. They were nowhere to be seen. I think even Usaleng, you see, I think he had one moment or two, but Obit was nowhere to be seen. Honestly, I don't know. Maybe when they made that substitute, the guy who scored, they looked like a team that could score, and eventually they scored. You know, but these boys, I don't know. I heard their coach saying they had a good game, but hey, maybe.
Didn't say good game.
Maybe
I just wanted to give you time. Honestly speaking, because I watched second half. Yeah, it wasn't a good game.
I watched the whole game.
Those guys, they lose the ball easily. You pass the opponent the ball.
They can't even make 3 passes. So
I think I don't know, but it seems to be a trend when these small teams play with you. Because even the Richards Bay, if you remember, they gave similar performance.
Yes.
It's a pity that you won 1-0 on that game.
Yeah.
But this one, it was a clear evidence, and the score tells you all about it. Yeah, man. Shout out to the supporters that came in numbers there
on a Tuesday.
Yeah. To witness Kaizer Chiefs mooring Bafana Baseres. Yeah, man. But again, maybe let's look at it in a futuristic manner now, because these kinds of ferment, it's your second win in a row now. You would want to keep this momentum going. Where do you think Kaizer Chiefs can improve? I know that they already done well. and they made some crucial changes in the middle of the park, introducing Tabocele starting the game
Finishing the game.
and finishing the game. Yeah, where do you think they should improve? Maybe where do you think they you were not as we're coming to the positive things, but let's start there.
No, I think for me, like you're saying, what they did to reduce Ucele,
Yeah,
that was a very good move. And I think he's even getting much
yeah,
fit because he wouldn't finish the game at times, you know.
yeah,
But you see now, okay, he can finish the game, and with him being there, I think we had a very good game, a solid assist win because of him
and
there.
control.
Yes, so we had control of the game because he was there. But
Mm.
also, like any other game with Kaizer Chiefs, I feel like we can actually do better when it comes to finishing, capitalizing on the chances we create.
Mm.
So that's been one thing that I feel like we didn't master it properly as yet. Hence,
Yeah.
we are saying it's the first time scoring 4 goals this season,
Yeah,
but we can even score more goals. You know?
yeah, yeah,
Yes. And then our defenders as well. I think they sometimes get too comfortable and too confident.
yeah,
Because if you saw, there was saves that were made by Peterson.
yeah. Oh, I saw.
You. So you see, they get to be too.
Even him himself,
Yes,
because there was a mistake that he did.
yes,
You don't do that.
yeah.
You don't do that. Honestly
So we
speaking.
just need to stay focused the whole 90 minutes of the game. Then I think
Yeah,
we'd get better and better, you know. But
yeah,
obvious, if we're able to keep it umthetho and put to
boy.
my boy, if we're able to do that, it shows the quality that I think we have. So
I wanted to speak about Umthetho.
yeah,
Soro Pululim.
yeah,
Because I think that the opponent as well justifies the substitution. As we were saying, that they were nowhere to be found. So
yeah,
it was going to be easy to actually put in a player that is not a hard tackler that much because they're not posing any threat.
yeah.
Right. But I wanted to mention Umthetho, his importance first, and also where he can improve.
Hey, umthetho uyazi wenza.
Yeah.
He loses the ball.
Yeah.
The time you're getting mad, he wins it back fast. You know.
Yeah.
I think
He plays by your emotions.
you. So I think he just needs to know where
Yeah.
to pass the ball once he have the ball.
Yeah.
Because I've seen there was a moment where I think we're supposed to do a counter attack type of thing. He had the ball and he
Yeah.
didn't make the pass. I don't know if it was Villas was making a run.
Yeah.
And then he just did a back pass and then I saw him apologizing. So you see, he just need to.
I think he is not compatible with making those long balls.
But you have Tele, give it to Tele. So just give it to Tele. Tele will do it. So
yeah, because there are a couple of passes that he made. He actually lost position while he was trying to do those passes.
yes.
Even the goal, you were not expecting him to actually shoot on the
Yes,
fourth goal.
yeah.
But he Chiefs balance.
Yeah.
Take nothing away from the mistakes that he does. Hopefully, he improves on those. But he gives Chiefs balance.
I agree.
Without him, you wouldn't win a lot of possession.
Yeah.
Yeah. Another player to look at, because the Kaizer Chiefs, like individually, they had good performances.
Yeah.
Another player, Monyane, he
Yeah.
seems to gel well with these young boys, the Kaizer Chiefs.
I saw him playing with Vilagazi, and Vilagazi gave him that pass.
Yeah.
And
In fact, that
he made a good run.
That side, like right.
Yeah.
It seems to be
He made a good
very
run.
healthy side.
Yeah. Umonyane, for me, since he joined Kaizer Chiefs, I think he's been performing superbly well, you know.
Yeah.
And I can't recall a game where he was playing and we lost.
Yeah.
You know, so yeah, he's one good player, that guy. Apparently didn't finish the game. I don't think he's match fit enough, right?
Yeah.
Because he was not injured.
It was his first start.
Yeah.
Ever since he came from injury.
Yeah.
Now that you mentioned Duvilagas, let's talk about him. His goal, his performance, in fact, because that's what we were crying out about, to say that
Let him start
let him start the games now.
And he plays 75
he's
minutes.
Been up for the longest of time.
He played 75 minutes.
Yeah.
And for me, I can't fault him. He had a good game, that guy. He had a good game.
Yeah.
I've seen him making some beautiful turns and touches. Like you can see from the first goal and then scoring a very beautiful goal as well. So in fact, those young boys are cooking. That guy is cooking, Baba.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Ukuthi uzoshatshwa into simple like if you physical kakhulu, you know.
Mm.
Into engiyibone
I think-
that nayizolo ngathi uwe kawu-2 afuna i-penalty and sometimes that won't help us, you know. Kumele nje afikise lapho kuwa nje simple. Ngiyabona ukuthi umncane vele akekho yabo. But yeah, he
yeah,
just need
but
to.
that guy I think he's technically is very good.
Yeah.
Maybe it's just players who try to, win
Yeah.
those
Yeah,
typical penalty fouls who referee might, you know.
yeah.
Yeah. But he's a very technical player. For me, I'm not a Chiefs supporter, but if I were to choose between him and God, I will go for Villarreal. That one is clear.
It's bong.
Yeah. For obvious reasons. Technically, it's so good. Yeah. And then Umtu, our man of the match.
Proper.
I think everyone's man of the match because he
Well
just
deserved.
made a lot of difference.
Yeah.
Besides scoring 2 goals, also assisting.
Yeah.
How much does Mdu has Mdu improved, in fact, ever since? Because at some point earlier this season he was bashed. There were public comments that were made by some celebrities.
I think you once touched on this, that the
Yeah.
boy is a boy who's willing to learn, who listens,
He's teachable.
he's teachable. So we can all see on the field that he's making more improvements. Like he might have tried yesterday, but not too many where he gets to hold the ball too much without releasing the ball.
Yes.
So yesterday for me, I felt like he was not holding the ball too much. He
Yeah.
knew when to release it, you know. So that makes the impact and it shows improvement as a player. And if we go to as a number 10, involve in 3 goals.
Yeah.
You
true.
know,
Mina, what I like, since you mentioned it, I like the fact that because every player, that's according to my mind, every player has to think about passing before doing anything. Because if you fail to pass, football is played in a team. That's why we are 11.
Yeah.
And we have to share the ball. So you can't just run with the ball without really looking at your teammates.
Yeah.
Because they are there. They have to be there to support you even when you're marking. But he has improved. He has
very
done
much,
well.
very much.
Now it's a well-deserved Bafana call-up. We have to be honest.
Lucky enough, Hugo was there watching.
Yes.
So it's up to him.
It's a well-deserved one. Because
Yeah.
you can't even falter when we say, let's say he's on Bafana now, when we say, why are we not substituting with Umdu now?
Yes.
Because you see, what Umdu is giving us that.
Yeah.
Now it's a well-deserved one. I think even the baby can see that. Another player to mention, Velebai. It's his second game for Kaizer Chiefs, isn't it?
First David, UPSL.
Oh, okay. UPSL, it was his debut game, in fact. Yeah. What do you make of the boy?
It was. I understand why he wanted to come to Natural because he knew what he wanted to do.
Yeah.
At Natural. So I feel it's safe to also say Kaizer Chiefs have left wing a match.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a proper one. You can see that guy is it's exciting. He wants to go forward. Agasabu face 1v1.
Yeah.
So no, that
not
boy
afraid to take a risk.
Yes, that boy is gonna cook. You can't even tell it was his first official game. You know, because it's like he's been part of Kaizer Chiefs. We're gonna cook them.
Yeah.
February is far, but yeah, we're gonna cook them.
The problem you have, I think, for me, what I wanted to say in closing, because Kaizer Chiefs fans, they actually put pressure on their players. That's my own view. You are in a building phase. You're playing with the young kids. In fact, all the players that we mentioned right now, except for Umtet, are young kids, right? You have to give them time. Now you start to compare with us. Whereas it's a project that started 3 years ago. Our project started 3 years ago. Yours is starting now. You might change the coach. You are not sure if the coach is correct. What I'm just trying to say is that put off the pressure of, I know the banter is good. The banter is good, right? But just try to put off the pressure to allow the players to express themselves. You have 10, 11 games good games. Because now, if it's like you are trying, you are running, but you are looking at the back. Who's coming? Who's coming? How are you going to win? It doesn't make sense for me, because it's a good performance. We want to see
We
more
want to
of those.
see
Because
is. We want
for
to see
me,
consistent.
yes, for me, I want to see those players playing for Bafana.
Yes.
That's the honest truth. Because Bafana, all of us benefit.
I agree.
Yeah. So for me, that's that.
Thank you.
Dango is thank you, Bafwet.